back, everybody. Bearded Griller. Today we're going to make some smoked and sous vide pork bombs. I'm going to take this pork butt, already pulled the bone out of it. I'm going to chop it into about 8-10 ounce balls. I kind of got this idea from ALLTHINGSBBQ. They just posted a video. They wrapped theirs up in cellophane, and I was like, I'll just put mine in bags, sous vide it, probably 165 for about 18 hours, and then I can freeze it, I can serve it, I can throw it in the fridge for another day. I got all sorts of versatility to do with it, so let's get started. I trimmed this guy up a little bit, but it really wasn't too bad. And I'm looking for we'll go pieces like this. About softball sized pieces. Something like that. So now that we've got our meat cut up and divided, let's go ahead and get some seasoning on it. We've got the smoker outside preheating about 225. Like I said, we're on these about 2 hours probably, just to get a nice bit of smoke on them. That'll help us out inside the bag too. Permeate that flavor all the way through the meat. Alright, get some of our Fat Boy barbecue. My favorite rub. I'll get these guys all rubbed up. I'll see you at the smoker. Pork butt chunks on, ready to make our sous vide pork bombs. Let them go for about 2-3 hours, get a nice color on them, bag them up, throw them away in the pool. See you in a little bit. Alright, just shy of 3 hours. Got some great color on these. I'm liking the way they look. Got some freezer bags. Or some bags. I'm going to double these up just because I don't think we're going to not use that much per portion. Shouldn't make a difference in the sous vide. Alright, let me get these all bagged up, throw them in the pool. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Here we are 18 hours later, 165 degrees. Looking good. Feeling good. Oh man, just a little bit of pressure and it's already starting to fall apart. Super duper tender. You can just feel it. I'm going to hit these with just a little bit more rub. Even though we seasoned them before, most of that flavor and stuff is in your juice that's left over here. So I'm going to hit it with just a little bit more rub. I'm going to throw it underneath the broiler, put a little texture on this. We'll split it apart, make a sandwich. Alright, got some more rub on it. Crisp it up underneath the broiler. Oh man, just look at how jelly like that is. That's going to be good. We're going to eat this one with dinner. I'll broil it up too, cook it. These two bags, I'm going to throw in an ice bath, cool off real quick, throw them in the freezer, mark them, and then when we want pulled pork, all I've got to do is thaw them out. I can either throw them in the sink with just some warm water, throw them in the sous vide, warm them up. We're in business. Perfectly cooked pork in a jiffy. Let's go for that money shot. Oh man, that is what I call pull apart, tender pork. That is ridiculous. Look at how much juice is in there. Wow. Let's get a sandwich made here. And try out some of Fat Boy Barbecue's new Prospector's Gold, Carolina inspired. Put a hat on it. Get a bite of this. Wow. I'm not lying to you guys when I tell you this is some of the best pulled pork I've ever made. See you next time. Better Griller.